In this lecture, we'll talk about creating notes. Outlook has an electronic version of the classic yellow Post-it note. It's called Notes, and you can use them to quickly jot questions or reminders, and you can even leave a note on the screen where you can see it conveniently, even when Outlook is minimized. To access your notes, click on the three dots on the very bottom of on the left-hand side of the navigation pane. And then from here, we'll select Notes. So, if we're going to create a new Post-it note, then we're going to click on New Note on the top left-hand side of the screen. A big yellow note is going to appear. And then in here, I can start typing. So I can say maybe a personal note is pick up dry cleaning on the way home from work today. So I can click on the gray header at the top of the note and slide it around like anywhere I want on the screen. I can even choose to minimize my Outlook, and the Post-it note will stay. So I'll go ahead and minimize it, and you'll see that it does stay. I'll go ahead and minimize that, and I'll go back to my Outlook, and you'll see that my note is still there. So it's important to note that it will only stay on the screen while Outlook is open. If I close Outlook, the Post-it note will disappear also. I can also see my Post-it note here. I don't need to go into Notes to be able to create, so if I go back to my mail. So as I go back to my email, if I hit a Control and a Shift and an N, which is a shortcut, I can create a note anywhere within, so that I can have a reminder. So then I can click the X to close out of it. And then if I go back to my notes, then I see a list of my notes. So I can click on the Post-it note on the top hand left of the side, of the screen. And I can also forward this note to someone. I don't want to do that. I could also, here's the forward here if I want to forward this. I can also move or copy the selected items to another folder. So I can also categorize the note by clicking the Post-it note and selecting categorize as well. So, and it's going to change the note to whatever category I choose. And then I can also delete a note in several ways. I can right click on it and select delete, or I can click on it in the view right here and then simply click delete from the home ribbon tab. And that's how you can use sticky notes as reminders in Outlook.